Connecting to Hue is easy. Simply select the option from Settings, and the app will search for Hue bridges on your network. Tap the one you want, then tap the link button on your bridge to pair it. After that, select the bridge and select the Hue Entertainment area to get the best effects. To connect to Nanoleaf, select the option from Settings, then press and hold on your Nanoleaf's power button for 5 seconds. Once it connects, type in the name so that you can identify it in the app. Once it finishes, you're good to go. To organize your lights, simply drag them from the inactive zone to one of the 3 working zones. Each zone can be set with its own colors and effects. To start the effects, simply tap on the cell. Grid mode makes it easy to manage complex layered scenes, turning your tablet into a tabletop soundboard. With full screen mode, you can create a living storybook. You can control the app from any Bluetooth controller. If you've already paired your Bluetooth controller to your device, simply start the controller and it will pair to the app. Then you can use the right button to go to the next scene, or the left button to go to the previous scene. You can also use the up and down buttons to control the brightness of the lights. There's also special buttons that will turn the lights to default colors and back, or to go to the first scene. You can use any Bluetooth controller, including Xbox controllers, Nintendo Switch controllers, and others. You can also use media controllers, like this JBL Click.